Hi students, welcome to third standard Hindi class. Second term, students, we are learn about meanings. Tatu, ma. First one, takiya, pillow, pillow. Tagiya, pillow, pillow. Tabala, a small drum. Tabala, a small drum. Thermos, thermos, a flask. Taila, handbag. Taila, handbag. HANDBAG, handbag. Tan, teeth. teeth. The next, darwaja. Darwaja, door. Darwaja, door. Tawa, medicine. Tawa, medicine. Dhanush, bow. Dhanush, bow. Then, wealth. WEALTH, wealth. Next, namak, salt. Namak, salt. Nut, no string. Nut, no string. Next, pagiya, wheel. WHEEL, wheel. Badang, a height. Fun, hood. Fun, hood. HOOD. Fal, fruits. FRUITS, fruits. Fal, fruits. Then bardan, bardan, utensils. Bardan, utensils. Bahari, coat. Bahari, goat. Pavan, building. Building. Balu, beer. Beer. Madar, green fish. Green fish. Mahar, a crocodile. Mahar, a crocodile. All of you once more listen. Tagiya, pillow. Tabala, a small drum. Next, thermos, a flask. Taila, handbag. Tan, teeth. Darwaja, door. Tawa, medicine. Dhanush, bow. Then, wealth. Namak, salt. Nut, no string. Next, pagiya, wheel. Badang, a height. One, hood. Fal, fruits. Bardan, utensils. Bahari, coat. Pavan, building. Balu, beer. Madar, green fish. Mahar, a crocodile. All of you once more time. Tatu, ma. One by one write the meanings in your group. All of you send it. Thank you, students.